It's well known that polyester is the definitive fabric for sublimation. With at least 50% of it, sublimation prints are able to transfer onto the fabric surface with satisfyingly colorful results. And considering the simplicity of print and apply for sublimation on polyester, there's little question as to why it's become one of the most popular heat transfers on the market. But did you know that sublimation printer kits can also print transfers for cotton shirts? Whether it's acquiring a new kit meant for this purpose or to simply grab a special transfer made for cotton, this only increases the options and versatility with what you can do with sublimation. Though how do the resulting transfers look for both cotton and polyester shirts? This video will cover how standard sublimation transfers on polyester t-shirts compare with cotton-ready transfers on cotton tees. For our cotton samples, we'll focus on special transfers like Forever's Sublilight and Subliflex 202, as these can work with any sublimation printer kit with their standard inks installed. All of our prints have been done through a Sawgrass SG500 printer with its color mode set to vivid or saturated on Sawgrass Print Manager. For our first set of samples, here is a sublimated white polyester shirt versus a white cotton shirt with Sublilight. Know how close the colors are with one another, though the polyester transfer has a slight advantage with clarity in addition to peel consistency. Similar to some light transfer papers, Sublilight is a transfer that works best with medium firm pressure and a smooth hot peel specifically. On the other hand, regular sublimation transfers only require medium pressure and can be quickly peeled after at least 20 seconds on polyester. But by being careful enough in applying both transfers, their results can generally be very close. But how about with colored shirts? Next up is how light blue polyester and cotton shirts compare with their sublimation transfers. The Sublilight transfer unfortunately did not peel as smoothly the second time, most noticeable with the white and brighter details of the graphic. Needless to say, the colors and shades of both standard and cotton-ready transfers are easily affected by the fabric's color. However, using another transfer like Forever's Subliflex 202 for light and dark cotton can work around this and allow any design to hold their original appearance. Transfers like Subliflex, however, will require a vinyl cutter to contour cut around the edges of the design. Another note is how these transfers have extra depth when applied, especially compared to sublimation on polyester. Though whether or not you'd like your designs to blend in with your fabric item's color is ultimately your choice. Doing so is generally ideal for bold, vintage style designs. Finally, let's look at how both a black polyester and cotton tee fare with sublimation. It's clear here that black isn't the best fabric color for achieving sublimation on polyester. This is where using Subliflex 202 shines, which maintains all the colors and main details of the design in its contour cut sheet. Though do keep in mind that because of the saturated nature of these prints, some finer details do get lost, as seen with the HPN logo close up. If you happen to be limited to a sublimation printer and are looking to also customize dark cotton tees, using a transfer like Forever Subliflex 202 is still a great option. You can switch back to printing standard sublimation transfers at any time by simply switching to transfers loaded on your printer kit. But which t-shirt fabric is the overall winner for sublimation? There's no doubt that polyester is still the front runner for sublimation. While darker colors can tend to be a weak spot for standard transfers, this most direct form of sublimation is still the best thanks to its consistent results, zero hand, and ease of application. Though depending on which transfer or setup you choose, sublimation on cotton is indeed possible with results that can match or even go beyond sublimation to an extent. Best of all, relying on cotton-ready transfers like Forever's Sublilight and Subliflex 202 is a simple matter of switching it with the paper currently loaded to your sublimation printer. To learn more about sublimation, be sure to visit our YouTube channel or visit our website at heatpressnation.com.